Built into SketchUp are a number of styles that allow you to change the way your SketchUp model looks. If you open up the default tray and open up the styles palette, you can see that there are a number of styles. I'll just click assorted styles, and they will change the way your SketchUp model looks. I'm going to go back to In Model, and I'm going to click on Default Style, and I'm also going to purge any unused styles. We're going to create two styles that we will use to help us take a scene in our SketchUp model and transfer it over to Photoshop. I'm going to make sure that my default style is selected, and from there I'm going to hit the Edit tab. Under the Edit tab, there are a number of little buttons underneath here. Edge settings, face settings, background settings, watermarks, and modeling. And each of these have different options that you can select. I'm going to go over to the first button, and I'm going to uncheck edges, and I'm going to uncheck profiles. Then I'm going to go to the third button, which is the background settings. I'm going to uncheck sky, and I'm going to change the color of the background from this taupey brown color to white. So I want to make sure that I'm on RGB, and I'm going to bring these sliders all the way to the right so that red, green, and blue are all at 255, 255, 255, and 255, because we want absolute white. I'll hit enter. And then I will go to the modeling, and I'm going to just uncheck all of these: guides, model axes, section planes, and section cuts. Once those are all unchecked, I'm going to create a new style, and I'm going to call it textures. And I'm just going to click this little button that says create new style. Now, if I go back to the select tab, you'll see that I have now a texture style. I can go to the default style. This is back to where we were before. And then I can go over to textures, and you'll see that I'm only seeing the textures in the model and no line work, and nothing else. Now we want to create a new style that shows only the edges of the objects and not the textures, no materials. So from the textures style, I'm going to click on edit, and this time I'm going to go to face settings. In the face settings area, there is a number of options here under style, and the second one is display in hidden line mode. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to go up to the edge settings. I'll click on that. Edges should be selected, and I'm also going to click profiles. Now you will notice that only the line work in my model is visible. So let's create this style. I'm going to call it edges, and I will click on this create new style button. And now when I go back to the select tab, you will see I have an edges style, I have a texture style, and I have my default style.